Hello students, today we are discussing about some problems of miscellaneous exercise from chapter 6. Question number 12. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it. That means there are two solutions. One is 8% and second is 2%. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If we have 640 liters of 8% solution, then how many liters of the 2% solution will have to be added? So 8% solution is given to you, that is 640 liters. And let x liter, this is equals to 2% boric acid. So total mixture, this is 640 plus x liter. Now according to question, टोटल मिक्सचर है जो वो 4% से ज़्यादा हो और 6% से कम हो. अब 640 लीटर तो हमारे पास 8% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन है, उसमें हमने x लीटर 2% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन ऐड कर दिया है. नाउ परसेंटेज ऑल साइड्स है, दैट मीन्स डिवाइडेड बिकॉज ऑफ परसेंटेज डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 4 upon 100 into 640 plus x is less than 640 into 8 upon 100 plus 2x upon 100. This is 640 plus x into 6 upon 100. Now multiplying it by 100, that means 4 into 640 plus x. This is 640 into 8, that is 5120 plus 2x. This is 640 plus x into 6. Now 640 into 6, 2560 plus 4x is less than 5120 plus 2x. This is less than 3840 plus 6x. Now solve, taking these two as first and these two as a second. Now 2560 plus 4x is less than 5120 plus 2x. That means 4x minus 2x, 5120 minus 2560. So 2x is less than 2560. That means x is less than 1280. Next, 3840 plus 6x. Now 5120 minus 3840. This is less than 6x minus 2x. Now 6x minus 2x, 4x. This is, that means x is greater than 1280 upon 4. This is 320. That means x lies between दिस इज योर आंसर. यानी हमने 320 से लेके 1280 लीटर्स के बीच में हम कितना भी डाल लें कि हमारा ये रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर होगा वो 4% से ज़्यादा होगा और 6% से कम होगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. हाउ मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर विल हैव टू बी एडेड टू 1125 liters of the 45% solution of acid so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid context. Now water is added. That means suppose x liter of water is added. So resulting mixture will be (1125) plus x liters. Now according to the question, because there is water, no other acid is there, that's why रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर का 25% से ज़्यादा और 30% से कम कि हमारे इसके बीच में ये एसिड 45% ऑफ इतना है. दैट मीन्स 25/100 Now multiplying all sides by 100. Now solve firstly these two and after that these two. Plus 25x. This is less than 45 into, so 25x is less than 45 into 1125 minus 25 into 1125. Now you can use identity here. 45 minus 25 into this. So 25x is less than 45 minus 25, this is 20. So x is less than 20 into, now 5 4 the 5 5 the 25. Now from 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 5 5 that is. Now 225 into 4, that is 900. So x is less than 900. Now right hand side, 45 into, this is 30 into 1125 plus 30x. Now 30x 45 इसको इधर लेके आओगे, माइनस 30 हो जाएगा, इंटू 1125. So 15 into 1125, this is less than 30x. So x, this is 15 into 1125 upon 30. 15 to the 30. So x is greater than 1125 upon 2. When x is greater than 562.5. 562, sir. So your answer is 562.5. That's your answer. Because water is added, no other acid, that's why we didn't add here x into some percentage of acid. Hope so you didn't find any difficulty in other questions. If you have, then you can ask. Now complete the chapter on your fair notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.